Dr. Shah, I've been looking into using the dynamic compression plate for Mr. Milton's femur fracture. He's been non-weight bearing for 6 weeks, but his x-rays still show delayed healing. I'm wondering if the external fixator should be replaced with the plate for better stability.
I see your point, Mihira. The dynamic compression plate is useful for stabilizing long bone fractures, especially when there's a lack of proper healing. But have you considered continuing with the external fixator for a bit longer? Sometimes switching too soon might disrupt the little healing that started.
True, but I'm concerned that prolonged use of the external fixator is contributing to muscle wasting in his leg. He's already showing signs of atrophy. Wouldn't the plate allow for more controlled mobilization and prevent further loss of muscle mass?
It could, but Mihira, the plate has its risks too, particularly if the bone isn't ready for that level of stress. We should check his bone density and maybe start with partial weight-bearing exercises before considering a switch. The plate would allow for better alignment, but I'd prefer caution with a phased approach.
Agreed. Let's reassess after the bone density scan, but keep the plate as an option if things don't improve.
Mihira, I understand that receiving advice on diet and lifestyle can feel overwhelming, especially when you're already managing your health. Please think of these not as restrictions, but as powerful tools you can use to actively protect your kidneys and feel more in control. The most important dietary change we can focus on right now is reducing salt. This is because salt makes your body hold onto extra fluid, which raises your blood pressure and puts more strain on your delicate kidneys. Cooking with fresh herbs and spices instead of salt, and being mindful of processed foods like canned soups, deli meats, and packaged snacks where salt often hides can make a significant difference. We can also talk about moderating your protein intake. While protein is important, very large amounts can create extra work for your kidneys. The goal is to find the right balance that supports your body without overtaxing it. Alongside these dietary steps, gentle lifestyle adjustments are equally powerful. Mihira, engaging in moderate, regular exercise like a daily walk can help manage your blood pressure and reduce stress. Speaking of stress, finding healthy ways to manage it is crucial, as stress can directly impact your blood pressure. It's also very important to be mindful of common over-the-counter pain medications like ibuprofen or naproxen, known as NSAIDs, as they can be harmful to kidney function. Always check with me or your doctor before taking any new medication. This may seem like a lot, but we will take it one step at a time. You are not doing this alone. We will work together to create a plan that fits your life and empowers you to safeguard your kidney health for the long term.